Hey guys, we bought a 2020 4Runner TRD off-road premium, and we are going to upgrade the headlights tonight. They just come stock with halogens that look kind of yellow. They don't throw very far, and so we're going to try these Lasfit. They're pretty cheap. I think they're about 40 bucks on Amazon, and they're supposed to be a direct plug and play. And we'll link the description down the details, and we'll just show you real quick how to remove and replace on your 4Runner. This should work on a Tundra as well. Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove the dust cap from your headlight. Just turn it to the left till it stops. Pull it off. It's sealed with an O-ring. Just has tabs to hold it in. In there you'll fill your headlight. And you'll just want to turn it to the left. Pull it out. Then you can undo the clips. And there's the halogen. And this is the orientation you want whenever it gets in the housing. You can turn this to adjust. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. All right. There it is, plugged in. And we're going to go ahead and test it, because it can be 180 out on the, so watch your eyes. Definitely works. So we'll stuff our wire back in. Okay, so that's in. Just want to adjust it. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is adjusting the back, just clocking it with a reference on the wall, just to make sure that I've got the brightest output and there's nothing blocking. So right now I'm just focusing the beam for the output, and that way it can be level all the way across. So that looks good. We're going to go ahead and replace our cover. If you can come closer with the camera, maybe you can hear the fan on the back of the bulb spinning. That's actively dissipating the heat. So, put your dust cover. Just gonna line them up. then twist it back. It moves about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch maybe. And now I've got an LED that looks way brighter, way more modern. And we'll get the other side done, and we'll show you how it looks before we do some of the other upgrades on the rest of the lighting. I'll go ahead and give that one a try, make sure it's good. I'll try this. All right. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And just adjust it. Alright, so go ahead and put our dust cover back on. So here's what they look like installed. It was a pretty easy installation. We'll have more content on the 4Runner and the RAV, so stay tuned, subscribe, and thanks for watching.